మన దేశంలో పాశ్చాత్య సంగీతమునకు గల ప్రాధాన్యతను తెలుపుతూ మా 10వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు అభినయిస్తున్న నృత్యం వీక్షించండి.
5 4 3 2 1
MJ5.
बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश उस पर जो बन का जोश जोश नहीं तेरा कोई दोष दोष मदहोश है तू हर वक्त वक्त वक्त
Blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दिया मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू Glossy lips, all fake tricks baby लग दिया killer Oh yeah कत्ल करे तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर Blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दिया मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू बॉम्ब लग
लैम्बोर्गिनी लाया हूँ, तुझे पिक कर लूँ, देख लूंगा आशिकों तेरी चल लूँ, लेके चलूँ राइड पे, फिर छत खोल के सीधी बात करूँ ना करूँ तोल मोल के tonight I gotta hold you tight, आज होगी लेट फोन करके घर पे बोल दे।
Hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू, I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू, glossy lips on fake tracks, baby लगदी है killer, oh yeah, कत्ल करे तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर।
పిల్లల అభిరుచులను తెలుసుకొని తల్లిదండ్రులు వారిని ప్రోత్సహించాలని తెలుపుతూ ప్రదర్శించబోతున్న నాటిక
मोना
So here we have the skit. उफ, आजकल के बच्चे।
अरे चीकू बेटा, स्कूल के लिए तैयार हो गए क्या?
जी दादाजी हो रहा।
ठीक है, मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ। ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए, ओ ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए।
गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए।
हाँ, गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए। ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए।
गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए।
अरे गाना आए या ना आए, गाना चाहिए। जल्दी करना बेटा।
अरे वाह लुंगी।
मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance.
अरे बहू, मेरी लुंगी कहाँ गई? यहीं तो रखी थी। अरे बदमाश, तू मेरी लुंगी पहनकर नाच रहा है और मेरी बूढ़ी हड्डियां ठंड के मारे नाच रही है। आज फिर पूजा में देर हो गई। बहू, गरम गरम चाय तैयार रखना, आता हूँ।
फिर तेरा नाच गाना शुरू हो गया। उफ, मैं इस लड़के का क्या करूं? स्कूल पर जाने के लिए कभी टाइम पर तैयार नहीं होता है। जब देखो नाच गाना। मैं तो इससे तंग आ गई हूँ।
अरे भाई, कहाँ हो तुम?
शर्मा जी आई।
तुमने मेरी बेल्ट कहीं देखी है?
शर्मा जी, आप तो अपनी कोई चीज ढंग से नहीं रखते। कभी आपका पर्स नहीं मिलता है तो कभी आपका फोन। आज तो आपकी बेल्ट ही लापता है। ढूंढो अपनी बेल्ट। मुझे भी तो बहुत काम है। बच्चों के टिफिन भी तो तैयार करना है।
ये जरूर उस चीकू की बदमाशी होगी। चीकू बेटा, इधर आना।
जी बाबा जी।
बदमाश, इधर ला मेरी बेल्ट। जो चीज हाथ में मिली नहीं कि नाचना शुरू। घर में बीवी की डांट को, ऑफिस में बॉस की। मैं तो इनसे परेशान हो गया हूँ। आज फिर ऑफिस के लिए देर हो जाएगी।
क्यों इतना शोर मचा के रखा है? तुम्हारे शोर की वजह से मैं ठीक से पूजा भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ।
अरे वाह दादी, बुढ़ापे में भी मैचिंग मैचिंग। साड़ी के साथ शॉल मैचिंग किया रे।
हट बदमाश, अपनी बूढ़ी दादी को भी छेड़ता है। अब मैं पूजा करने जा रही हूँ, आवाज मत करना।
मम्मी, टिफिन तैयार हो गया क्या? हाँ बेटे, दोनों का टिफिन टेबल पर रखा है। मम्मी, आज टिफिन में क्या रखा है? ब्रेड जैम। उफ, फिर वही टिफिन मैं नहीं खाऊंगा। मैं तुम्हें 20 रुपए दूंगी, कैंटीन से कुछ खा लेना। माँ, आप इसे रोज पैसे दे देकर क्यों बिगाड़ रहे हो? देखो ना, खा खा के कैसा हो गया है। तू खुद को तो देख, तू तो सिर्फ हवा और पानी खा के ऐसी हो गई हो। मम्मी देखिए ना, फिर तुम दोनों का झगड़ा शुरू हो गया। चीकू बेटा, ये क्या तेरी सारी किताबें फटी हुई है? मेरे किताबों को सीने से यार चिपका दे मम्मी फेविकॉल से, मम्मी फेविकॉल से। इस लड़के का तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता। जल्दी जाओ, स्कूल बस आ गई है। बाय। इस घर में तो मुझे 1 मिनट सांस लेने की फुर्सत नहीं। ब्रेकफास्ट की तैयारी खत्म तो फिर लंच की तैयारी शुरू, फिर ऑफिस भी तो जाना है। रात को आता है डिनर की तैयारी शुरू। उफ, यह जिंदगी तो एक मशीन बनकर रह गई है। अब मुझे ऑफिस के लिए तैयार होना है।
शाम का समय।
भैया हेल्प करो ना। स्कूल से आकर दूध पीकर ट्यूशन के लिए चले गए हैं। आजकल बच्चों पर पढ़ाई का कितना बोझ हो गया है। कितनी देर हो गई, बच्चे अभी तक नहीं आए।
आ गया मेरा बच्चा। दिन रात पढ़ाई करके मेरा शेर कितना कमजोर हो गया।
दादाजी, आप इसे लाड पर करके क्यों बिगाड़ रहे हो? पढ़ता लिखता कुछ नहीं। जब देखो नाचना खाना। अभी देखो कुरकुरे खा रहा है।
बेटा, ऐसा नहीं कहते। ये तेरा है पर ये मेरा है।
इसे तो पढ़ाई लिखाई की चिंता ही नहीं है।
सब खेल जानता हूँ, मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊँ और सबको मैं सिखाऊँ क्या।
हाँ बेटा, सही गा रहे हो। नाच गाना करते रहोगे तो हमेशा पढ़ाई में सबसे पीछे ही रहोगे। तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया कि नहीं?
स्कूल में लिखो, ट्यूशन में लिखो और घर में लिखो। मैं तो लिख लिख कर थक गया हूँ।
रोज तुम्हारे स्कूल से मेरे फोन में SMS आते रहते हैं। कभी तो क्लास वर्क इनकम्प्लीट, कभी तो होमवर्क नॉट डन। मैं तो तुमसे परेशान हो गया हूँ।
बेटा मत डांटो, देखो कितना थक गया है। आ मेरे पास बैठ।
दादी, 2 दिन बाद हमारे 4th पीरियड स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं और ये हर बार 2-3 सब्जेक्ट में फेल होता है, इसकी वजह से टीचर मुझे डांटती है।
हाँ बेटा, तुम सच कह रही हो। आज ही तुम्हारे स्कूल से मेरे फ़ोन में SMS आया कि टीचर हर डल स्टूडेंट के घर कल 6 बजे आने वाले हैं। तुम ही इसका जवाब दे।
पता नहीं कल क्या होगा, जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाओ और सो जाओ।
ये तुम्हारा छोटा भाई है, तुम्हें इसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
ध्यान? और इसका सारा ध्यान तो क्रिकेट में, ना तो नाच गाने नहीं रहता है, फिर ये पास कैसे होगा?
नमस्ते शर्मा जी। दादाजी आपकी तबीयत तो ठीक है ना?
अच्छी है बेटा।
शर्मा जी, आपकी बेटी तो बड़ी होशियार है, लेकिन ये चीकू, इसका तो पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं लगता। कारण क्या है?
इसे तो सिर्फ नाच गाने की ही पड़ी है। घर का जो सामान मिले, कभी मेरी बेल्ट तो कभी दादाजी की लुंगी, जो मिले उसे लेके नाचते रहता है।
क्या इसे नाच गाना पसंद है?
हाँ, ये तो नींद में भी उठकर नाचने गाने लगता है।
अच्छा भाई चीकू, मुझे भी अपने डांस का एक नमूना दिखा दो।
जा 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 बेटा, दिखा।
अरे वाह चीकू, तुम्हें तो डांस का टैलेंट कूट कूट कर भरा है।
जी मास्टर जी, आज गली गली का हर छोटा बच्चा बैट हाथ में आते ही अपने आप को सचिन मानने लगता है, और थोड़ा हाथ बालों पर ऐसा फेरा कि नहीं खुद को शाहरुख खान समझने लगता है, और 2 कदम आगे पीछे किया नहीं कि खुद को समझ लिया माइकल जैक्सन।
उफ, आजकल के बच्चे। शर्मा जी, आप ऐसा कीजिए, हफ्ते के 5 दिन इसे ट्यूशन भेजिए, बाकी के 2 दिन इसे डांस क्लास में भेजिए। हो सकता है इससे इसके जीवन में कुछ बदलाव आ जाए। अब मुझे औरों के घर भी जाना, चलता हूँ।
बेटा चीकू, अगर तुम मुझे प्रॉमिस करोगे कि तुम मन लगाकर पढ़ोगे और 4th यूनिट टेस्ट में अच्छे नंबर से पास होगे, तभी मैं तुम्हें डांस क्लास में एडमिशन दिलाऊंगा। चलो बेटा, अब मैं चलता हूँ, बाय।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। अरे बाबा, अब तो मुझे सचमुच मन लगा कि पढ़ना है और पास होके दिखाना है। मैं तो चला पढ़ने।
दूसरा दिन, शाम का समय।
क्या हुआ बेटा, क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो?
मैं तो 4th यूनिट टेस्ट में पास हो गया। और अच्छे मार्क्स तो मुझे आए हैं ना। मुझे तो पेन मिला, तुझे क्या मिला बाबा जी का? दादी देखिए ना इसे।
देखना बेटा, तुमने अपने बेटे की इच्छाओं का भी ध्यान रखा और इसे डांस क्लास ज्वाइन कराया। तुमने इसका रिजल्ट भी देख लिया होगा। आजकल के बच्चों की पसंद का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
हाँ माँ, तुम सच कह रही हो। उफ, आजकल के बच्चे शरारत में तो सबके बाप, और उफ टैलेंट में भी लाजवाब।
आज हमारे घर में बड़ी खुशी का दिन है। हमारे दोनों बच्चे बड़े ही अच्छे नंबरों से पास हो गए। आज तो मेरा दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया। चलो इसी खुशी में हो जाए एक नाच। बेटा, भगवान के नाम का एक गाना लगाना, आज तो मैं भी नाचूंगा।
पीछा जा रे, पीछा रे।
Thank you, students. I'm sure parents, you all will agree with our students. Oof, आजकल के बच्चे. Dear parents, you can now watch your loving children rapture your hearts and zoom you into their world of shake and dance to the heart-throbbing music whose lyrics won the hearts of millions round the world, the Desi Beats.
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे जो गिरा था बरेली के बाजार में मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई बोली घूम कर बता दे के मैं आ गई मुझको लौटा के नाच ले आजा नाच ले मेरी यार तू नाच ले झनक झनक झनकार हो नाच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार सबको बुला के नच ले आजा नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार हो नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार मैंने गलती करी थी मेरी नखनी पड़ी थी मैंने गलती करी थी मेरी नथनी पड़ी थी कि सोने में उसको रंगा गई मैं रंगा के अटरिया पे आ गई मोहल्ले में कैसी मारा मार है बोले मोची भी खुद को सुनार है सबको नचा के नच ले आजा नच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार हो नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार सबको बुला के नच ले आजा नच ले मेरी यार तू नच ले झनक झनक झनकार हो नच ले मेरे यार तू नच ले अब तो लुटा है बाजार ऐसी नजर से देखा उस जालिम ने चौक पर हमने कलेजा रख दिया चाकू की नोक पर मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा जालिम नजर हटा ले
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
मेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ तेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना तेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना ओ तेरे नैना में चुपके रहना तेरे नैना में चुपके रहना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
कजरा रे मेरे कारे कारे नैना.
That was a great shake and twist performance.
విద్యార్థులు తమలోని దేశభక్తిని చాటుతూ తెలుగు భాషపై మమకారంతో మాతృభూమికి వందనం అనే పాటతో మిమ్మల్ని అలరించబోతున్నారు.
కలికి పదములు కడలి కడిగిన కలయిది. I love India, I love India, I love India, I love India. తక్కిట తక్క దిమ్మి తక్కిట తక్క తరిగిడ తక్కిట తక్క దిమ్మి తక్కిటతో తరిగిట తక్క చిమ్మి తరిగిట తక్క చిమ్మి తరిగిట తక్క చిమ్మి తరిగిట తక్కతో గంగ యమునలు సంగమించిన గానమో తందాని తాని నాని తందాని తాని నాని కూచిపూడికి కులుకు నేర్పిన నాట్యమో తందాని నా రాజమహలే ప్రణయ జీవుల పావురం తందాని తాని నాని తందాని తాని నాని కృష్ణవేణి శిల్పరమణి నర్తనం తందాని నా తరణాని నా వివిధ జాతుల వివిధ మతముల ఎదలు మీటిన ఏకతాళపు భారతి జయ హో మంగళం మాతరం I love India I love India I love India I love India జగతి సిగలో జాబిలమ్మకు వందనం వందనం మమతలెరిగిన మాతృభూమికి మంగళం మాతరం వందే మాతరం
SSC toppers for the year 2012-2013. The first rank goes to Y. Shravanti. The second prize is shared by Rohit and Y. Ajay Kumar. The house toppers for this year, Nehru House winners, I request the house warden, Mrs. Punita, and the house captain to please collect the prize. Warden Mrs. Vijaya and the captain to collect the prize. I now request our chief guest Mr. Mastaneya to give his valuable message. Thank you.
పేపర్స్ అక్కడ పెట్టాను. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి అధ్యక్షత వహిస్తున్నటువంటి ఫాదర్ బెర్నాన్ గారు, పాఠశాల కరస్పాండెంట్, అదేవిధంగా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు, ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా వచ్చేసినటువంటి సుజీవ్ గారు, డాక్టర్ సుకన్య గారు, ఫాదర్స్, బ్రదర్స్, సిస్టర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్, పేరెంట్స్, వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులు, ఇతర పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. అదేవిధంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని అత్యంత ఆనందోత్సాహాల మధ్య జరుపుకుంటూ ఉన్నటువంటి చిన్నారులైనటువంటి విద్యార్థులకి శుభాశీస్సులు, శుభాకాంక్షలు. గత 2 గంటల నుంచి కూడా మనం విద్యార్థులు ప్రదర్శించినటువంటి అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రతిభా పాఠవాలు చూసాం. ఇవి విద్యార్థుల్లో తాగి ఉన్నటువంటి అంతర్గత శక్తులకి కొన్ని ఉదాహరణలు మాత్రమే. వారిలో అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రతిభా పాఠవాలు శక్తులు దాగి ఉన్నాయి. స్వామి వివేకానంద గారు చెప్పినట్టు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈజ్ ద మేనిఫెస్టేషన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ మ్యాన్. మనం విద్యను అందిస్తున్నాం అనుకుంటున్నాం, కానీ ఏ వ్యక్తికి కూడా మనం కొత్తగా వారిలో చొప్పించేది ఏమీ లేదు. వారిలో ఉన్నటువంటి అంతర్గతంగా దాగి ఉన్నటువంటి శక్తుల్ని మన నైపుణ్యాలతో బోధనా పద్ధతులతో వాటిని వెలికి తీసి వారిని పూర్తిగా వికసింపజేసేటువంటి వ్యక్తిగా మనం తయారు చేస్తాం. అదే నిజమైన విద్య. ఆ విధంగా తయారు చేయడంలో ఈ పాఠశాల సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ హై స్కూల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు, ఆ పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యము వారి యొక్క డెడికేషన్ తోటి కమిట్మెంట్ తోటి కూడుకున్నటువంటి కృషి ఇక్కడ మన కళ్ళగట్టినట్టు కనబడుతూ ఉంది. వారిని అందరినీ కూడా పేరు పేరున అభినందిస్తూ, ముఖ్యంగా విద్యార్థులు వారి అమూల్యమైనటువంటి సమయాన్ని, అంటే పాఠశాల దశని దాదాపు 12 సంవత్సరాల పాటు పాఠశాలలో వారు ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఆ విద్యార్థి జీవితాన్ని వారు సక్రమమైన పద్ధతిలో మంచి క్రమశిక్షణతో వారిలో ఉన్నటువంటి అభిరుచులకి వైఖరులకి అనుగుణంగా కనుక సద్వినియోగం చేసుకుంటూ క్రమశిక్షణతో కూడినటువంటి శ్రమ చేయగలిగితే వారి భవిష్యత్తు బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుగా తయారయ్యేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. విద్యార్థులందరూ కూడా ఆ విధంగా కృషి చేసి వారి భవిష్యత్తుని బంగారు భవిష్యత్తు చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటూ, ఆ విధంగా వారిని ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ, ముఖ్యంగా విద్యార్థుల కోసం ఉపాధ్యాయులు ఎంతో శ్రమపడి వారి భవిష్యత్తుని తీర్చిదిద్దడంలో వారికి ఉన్నటువంటి నైపుణ్యాలని శక్తియుక్తులన్నీ కూడా ఉపయోగించి విద్యార్థుల కోసం చాలా బాగా పాటుపడుతున్నారు. అదేవిధంగా సమకాలీన పరిజ్ఞానానికి అవసరమైనటువంటి నైపుణ్యాలను కూడా అలవర్చుకొని వ్యక్తిగతమైనటువంటి వాళ్ళ అభిరుచుల్ని వైఖరుల్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని శిశు కేంద్రిత విద్య వైపు దృష్టి సారించాల్సిందిగా, మరిన్ని అద్భుతాలు సాధించాల్సిందిగా ఉపాధ్యాయుల్ని కోరుకుంటూ, ఇంత చక్కటి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ని ఫెసిలిటీస్ని ఈ క్వాలిటేటివ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ని ఇస్తున్నటువంటి సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫాదర్సు అందరికీ కూడా వాళ్ళ పేరున అభినందిస్తూ, ఇంకా దాదాపుగా ఇక్కడ 2000 మందికి విద్యను అందించడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. ఇక ముందు కూడా ముఖ్యంగా ఈ ప్రాంతం అంతా కూడా మిడిల్ క్లాస్, బిలో మిడిల్ క్లాస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి వారికి ఇలాంటి పాఠశాలలో ఉన్నటువంటి విద్య ఎంతైనా అవసరం. కాబట్టి మరికొంతమందికి అవకాశం కల్పించే దిశగా ఆలోచన చేయాల్సిందిగా, ఇంకా ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి ఇంకొంతమందికి విద్యా అవకాశాలు కల్పించాల్సిందిగా వారిని కోరుకుంటూ, ఇంత చక్కటి ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఇంతమంది విద్యార్థులు, వారి తల్లిదండ్రులు, బంధుమిత్రులు అందరి మధ్య, ఫాదర్స్ సిస్టర్స్ అందరి మధ్య కూడా ఉండడానికి అవకాశం కలిగించినట్టు వారికి అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను.
Thank you, sir, for your words of encouragement. 27791660, Indian Airlines ready to take off from the grounds of St. Joseph's High School. I request you all to fasten your seat belts. So for now, we take you to the land of Sher-e-Punjab. Our young Punjabis are eagerly waiting with their rhythmic movements to present a culture that is a heartthrob of every Punjabi. The evergreen, unforgettable, unbeatable, sensational culture of Punjab, presented by the students of the high school.
Good evening, one and all. We, the Bhangra Jammers, are ready to take you to the land of 5 rivers. So let's enjoy and tap our feet. Jabole Sat Sri Akal.
Ladies and gentlemen. Listen. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, come on.
All I wanna do is make the whole crowd bounce, y'all.
Check this out.
I just want everyone to know something. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
The dedicated and tireless effort of our teachers needs recognition. We now felicitate our retired teachers, silver jubilarians and 100% attended staff. So now I request our principal, Reverend Father Dominic Sylvester, to escort our guest of honor, Miss Sukanya, and also Mr. Sujeev to the dais.
Miss Sukanya is from St. Joseph's High School. She has finished her schooling in St. Joseph's High School and has grown to the heights. We congratulate her and ask her to distribute the prizes to our esteemed teachers. And Mr. Sujit is from Valerian Grammar School, also a Catholic school. We also thank him and congratulate him, and we request him to give away the prizes.
Now I request Ms. Sukanya to honor our teachers. To begin with, we have the retired staff, Mrs. Sagai Mary, Mr. Abraham, Mr. Abraham, our retiring staff, Mr. Arogyanathan, our silver jubilarian, Mrs. Sushila Patrick, now we have the staff with 100% attendance. We have Mrs. Saroja, Mrs. Lalita Negi, Miss Jean Manas, Miss Deborah Samuel, thank you, Ms. Sukanya. Now I request you to say a few words.
Respected Chief Guest, Father Dominic, the Principal, Father Chinnapareddy, the Correspondent, parents and my dear friends, it is indeed a great pleasure to be amongst you all today at the annual day celebration of my alma mater. I am very grateful to the management of the school and especially to my respected teacher, Mr. Ramchandran, for taking the trouble to contact me seeking me out and contacting me, and to giving me an opportunity to come here for this wonderful celebration after 24 years. I studied in the school for 3 years between 1987 and 1990, and those were some of the most joyous days for me. When I think of school, the first thing that comes into my mind is the days that I spent in this school. School days are one of the most carefree and joyful days, and I think every child should get an opportunity to enjoy the school days to the best. I loved coming to school. For me, schooling was a totally enjoyable occasion. I hated taking leave, and had there been a prize for 100% attendance for students, I think I would have won it all 3 years when I was here at that time. I loved the morning assemblies in the school, especially after the prayers, the small quiz that used to be held on the current affairs, on general knowledge pertaining to that particular day. And each of us used to really sprint to the dais to reach the mic first so as to get the correct answer. Also, mornings were the time when all the inter-house competitions used to be held in dancing, singing, and quizzes, etc. And these were very enjoyable occasions. I think all students and parents will agree with me that this is what they remember more than the classes that were held during of the schooling period.
The guest of today's program to release a souvenir. I kindly request our guest of honor to address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries and everybody else present here, good evening. Today is actually another special day for me because I have moved from the behind row to the first row. The second reason, thanks to Father Chinnapareddy for having called us, me and Sukanya, for this guest of honor. Thank you. While several people spoke for students, for teachers, for staff, Father did mention to me that I have to share some of my thoughts for parents, because most of the parents, it's actually a chance for you all to interact with the management students. So I was just thinking, what can I talk to you? And when I thought, I said, okay, probably I can rewind some time back when I was a student, my parents, versus when today I am a parent and my children are here. So a few thoughts. First and foremost, things have changed drastically. Everything around us is changing. If I were to give you some examples, I remember when I was studying in school, I had to go 10 houses away to make a phone call. We didn't have phones at home. Time taken to book a trunk call could be 3 days, 4 days. How is it today? Today, cell phones have actually revolutionized the way we communicate. Look at the change. It's a very positive change. We are able to connect with anybody, anywhere across the world. So as parents, it's very important for us to understand and adapt to this change. It takes time, but we should see that we adapt to the change rather than the change taking over us. Another example. Do you know that our children are going to live 10 years younger than what we lived? Yes, it is very true. Research supports that. Thanks to all the fast food that has started here. I remember tiffin used to be packed. We used to come, carry tiffin, come to the school, have tiffin. There used to be parties. Probably once a month we used to go to the hotel. Today, I even saw that in the skit where some parents said, बेटा 20 रुपए ले लो, कुछ खा लेना स्कूल में. Just parents be very aware, fast foods are not very good. Of course, I know children know that, but it's very important to understand there is a lot of obesity that is spreading, so we need to watch out on that. While the world is changing, there are some things that haven't changed. Value systems haven't changed. The values that parents impart to children haven't changed. The growth of children, if I say 3 stages. One is a dependent stage. First few years when the child is born, the child is dependent on the mother for food, water, etc. The second stage when they grow is several years, called the independent state, where children want to do something on their own. They form their analysis and judgment. They want to do everything on their own. So parents are generally ignored at that point of time. And the third state is called the interdependent state, where they realize it is important for them to be part of a society because they are part of it. Society also adds to our success. So I think as parents, one of our duties is to help and guide our children in each of these 3 stages. And lastly, the thought on how we can adapt to this change. Very few thoughts. And I personally practice this, so I just thought this is helped me very much, and I share that with you. First and foremost, as parents, it's very important that we walk the talk. When I say walk the talk, I can't tell my child to wear a helmet or wear a seat belt without I wearing it. They will not respect us. So it's very important as parents for us to walk the talk. Second, I learned it from one of the skits here, where the son in that family was a dancer and the person's strength was dance. So very nicely portrayed and message to parents. Parents should spend time understanding the strengths of children. It's not enough that, you have to make your son an engineer or make your son a doctor. It's very important as parents that we identify the strengths right from the beginning and help them to build on the strengths. And the last point, and this is something which I see very much in the Indian mindset. We always tell our children what not to do. We don't tell them what they should do. I'll give you a simple example again here. There were 2 fathers who took their children to the park. Both the children climbed up the tree, and there was a breeze and some rain. So both the children slipped, and they were holding to a branch. One father looked at the son and said, "Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall." The other father looked at the son and said, "Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight." Which child do you think would fall? The father which said, "Don't fall," because the child is already tensed.
I would like to remind all the parents that your concern for our school, your love for our school, your appreciation for our school, and your outgoing attitude to build our school so as to help your children build a future is very much appreciated. I personally would like to thank all the parents who have personally met me, given their ideas, and also helped me, given our best, because of which your children entrusted to our care have really responded in academics, in cultural programs, in sports, and also going out of the way from the school outside for other programs, and thus building themselves up. As I thank you for all these, I also expect much from you in the coming days, in the coming months, in the coming years so that St. Joseph's, that is a great school, will always outshine in Trimalgari area. We have a lot of challenges to face, but we will outbeat every challenge and we will shine out as we have example before us. Our former student who has outbeaten the world and is shining today, giving an example to your children. Kindly give them a big hand. Has the prize come? Has it come? As already our Vicar General, Monsignor Swarna Bernard, the Vice Chairman of Hayes Society, has already announced, very soon in the coming month, we may also have special classes which will be organized in our school for speaking good English, and that will be led by one of our diocesan priests, Reverend Father Kandula Charles. He is in our midst. May I request Reverend Father Kandula Charles kindly come on the stage and just speak a few words about your program to our parents, because in the month of February, when we bring it to the children, they must be aware of what you are doing for the betterment of their children. Kindly giving a big applause and welcome him here.
Dear parents, I made it a mission to teach children how to do pronunciation. It's not only in English. They learn the technique of producing a sound. And it is through audio visuals. And I have done already for 2,000 children. And it made a big difference in the school for the assembly, in the class when they speak. And this is something very scientific, visual, very effective. It takes about 7 classes for the children to learn all the sounds, and more or less 90% of them learn very well. Also for parents, they will have a small booklet with exercises. If you follow them up to practice about 6 weeks, you can be sure your child will speak in any language perfectly. Another beautiful thing is when they speak, you can see the shape of the mouth, use of the tongue, and it looks so beautiful. You want to look at your child when he or she is speaking. So, and it is very important in the present times that children communicate perfectly. Children speak good language. In any selection, either for education or for jobs, final selection depends on how the child is able to communicate. Right? So that is my mission, and I have completed 2,000 children, and I want to go on doing it. This is my side job.
SSC toppers, and we also have to honor the 2nd and the 3rd rank holders. We just forgot about it by mistake, so we just honor them right now. May I request sir kindly come forward. We have Vinita standing 2nd as SSC toppers, holding 9.7 points. And at the 3rd place we have Master Sai Rohit. He holds 9.5 points.
Calling for the attention of electrician Tinku, please report at the announcer's table. Calling for the attention of electrician Tinku, please report at the announcer's table immediately.
Good evening, everyone. Dandiya dance. It's a type of folk dance which is famous not only in Gujarat but also in all the states of India.
The special feature of the Dandiya dance is the colorful attire worn by the dancers and also the colorful sticks carried by them. This dance is also known as sticks dance. So sit back and enjoy the
Dandiya Dhamal.
Well done, children. That was a perfect feet tapping dance.
A very good evening to one and all. I, Arpita, the school pupil leader, deem it an honor and privilege to stand before this august gathering to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of this prestigious institution, St. Joseph's High School. We are grateful to each one of you who have assembled here to be a part of this day's program. We would like to acknowledge our gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Mastanaya, for having consented to be our esteemed guest in spite of his busy schedule. Your presence is a blessing from above to make this day a memorable one. We also thank the other dignitaries for their valuable presence. We express our sincere thanks to various principals and priests for their presence here. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling few days ago. It required planning and a bird's eye for detail. We are fortunate enough to be backed by our beloved principal, Reverend Father Dominic Sylvester, and our correspondent, Reverend Father U.J. Chinnappa, for their constant guidance, cooperation, and support, without whom the celebration would not have been a grand success. Thank you, Fathers. Our deep sense of appreciation for our parents and other well-wishers for their help and support to make this day a memorable one. I wish to express my sincere thanks to the teaching and non-teaching staff for their hard work to make this day a grandiose. I wish to thank the students who were involved in dances for their harmonious and pulsating performance. Our thanks to the sound and light system, photography, and others for their electrifying and zooming performance. I would like to thank the school cabinet for their support to maintain discipline throughout this program. I once again thank everyone who have gathered here to witness this grand annual day celebration. Thank you and have a nice evening.
Thank you, Arpita. Of these is the cultural hegemony of our nation. Culture is the distinguished aspect and way of life of the Indian society.
बाज ध्वनि तू गीततो नाच रे गोरी कार्तिका मई तदे दिरगतो गीत ध्वनि तू नाच गीततो नाच रे गोरी कार्तिका मई तदे दिरगतो तानु काले तगत तै तदे तानु काले तगत तै तदे नी सगा पसगा बाबा गा मबनि दमबा नी जगदि दिसं गा दिगदि सरिदं सरिदं पानि मबा निबगे ध्वनि उदक ध्वनि उदक क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो पदुमनाद तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो ताप समरण आयो सोमारो तुम्हारा ताप समरण आयो सोमारो
I request all of you to stand for the national anthem played by the school band.